Salmanani! We're so excited that you joined us for Kids Church in the Home. Get ready to show your dance moves and do your actions. It's worship time!
Hey! I've got peace like a river, I've got peace like a river, I've got peace like a river in my soul. I've got peace like a river, I've got peace like a river, I've got peace like a river in my soul. I've got love like an ocean, I've got love like an ocean, I've got love like an ocean in my soul. I've got love like an ocean, I've got love like an ocean, I've got love like an ocean in my soul. I've got joy like a fountain, I've got joy like a fountain, I've got joy like a fountain in my soul. I've got joy like a fountain, I've got joy like a fountain, I've got joy like a fountain in my soul. I've got peace, love, and joy like a river. I've got peace, love, and joy like a river. I've got peace, love, and joy like a river in my soul. I've got peace, love, and joy like a river. I've got peace, love, and joy like a river. I've got peace, love, and joy like a river in my soul. I've got peace, love, and joy like an ocean. I've got peace, love, and joy like an ocean. I've got peace, love, and joy like an ocean in my soul. I've got peace, love, and joy like an ocean. I've got peace, love, and joy like an ocean. I've got peace, love, and joy like an ocean in my soul. I've got peace, love, joy like a fountain. I've got peace, love, and joy like a fountain. I've got peace, love, and joy like a fountain in my soul. I've got peace, love, and joy like a fountain. I've got peace, love, and joy like a fountain. I've got peace, love, and joy like a fountain in my soul. Higher than the mountains that I face, stronger than the power of the grave, constant in the trial and the change. One thing remains: your love never fails and never gives up, never runs out on me. Your love never fails and never gives up, never runs out on me. Your love never fails and never gives up, never runs out on me. Your love. On and on and on and on it goes. It overwhelms and satisfies my soul. And I never ever have to be afraid. One thing remains. Well, this one thing remains. Your love never fails and never gives up, never runs out on me. Your love never fails and never gives up, never runs out on me. Your love never fails and never gives up, never runs out on me. Your love. Your love. In death, in life, I'm confident and covered by the power of your great love. My debt is paid. There's nothing that can separate my heart from your great love. Your love never fails and never gives up, never runs out on me. Your love never fails and never gives up, never runs out on me. Your love never fails and never gives up, never runs out on me. Your love. On and on and on and on it goes. It overwhelms and satisfies my soul. And I never ever have to be afraid. One thing remains. Yeah, one thing remains. Your love never fails and never gives up, never runs out on me. Your love never fails and never gives up, never runs out on me. Your love never fails and never gives up, never runs out on me. Your love, your love. In death, in life, I'm confident and covered by the power of your great love. My debt is paid. There's nothing that can separate my heart from your great love. Your love never fails and never gives up, never runs out on me. Your love never fails and never gives up, never runs out on me. Your love never fails and never gives up, never runs out on me. Your love, your love.
Sanibonani, igama lami uZinhle, ngizonitholela i-memory verse yakuleli sonto. Memory verse yami ngiyitomule ku-Genesis 2, verse 16 yaku 17. Ifundeka kanjani? uJehova uNkulunkulu wamyala umuntu wathi, ungadla kuyo yonke imithi yensimu ngokuthanda kwakho, kepha ungadli kuwo umuthi wokwazi okuhle nokubi, ngoba mhla wadla kuwo uyakufa nokufa.
God gave the first two people, Adam and Eve, a beautiful garden to call home. He gave them everything they needed, and he gave them one command. God said, you may eat from any of the trees in the garden except for one. The garden had a tree in it called the tree of knowledge of good and evil. God warned Adam, if you eat from that tree, you will die. Now, the serpent was the most cunning of all the animals. One day, the serpent went to Eve. Did God really say you can't eat from any tree in the garden, he asked.
Eve answered, we can eat the fruit from the trees in the garden, but God told us not to eat from the tree in the middle of the garden. He said if we eat the fruit or touch it, we will die.
No, you will not die, the serpent lied. The serpent told Eve that she and Adam would be like God. They would know good and evil.
Eve looked at the fruit. It did look delicious, and she wanted to be wise. So she took some of the fruit and ate it. Eve also gave some of the fruit to Adam, who was with her, and he ate it. Then their eyes were opened, and they knew they were naked. Adam and Eve sewed together fig leaves and made clothes for themselves.
That evening, Adam and Eve heard God walking in the garden. They hid among the trees. God called out to Adam, where are you? Adam said, I was afraid because I was naked, so I hid. God asked Adam, who told you that you were naked? Did you eat from the tree that I commanded you not to eat from? Adam blamed Eve. She gave me some fruit from the tree and I ate it, he said. Eve blamed the serpent. He tricked me, she said.
God said that bad things would happen. Life would be hard and painful, all because of sin. The snake would crawl on its belly and be an enemy to people. But God promised that one of Eve's descendants would destroy the serpent. Everything changed after Adam and Eve sinned. They were not close to God like before. Sin separated Adam and Eve from God. God made them clothes out of animal skins and then sent them out of the garden. God put angels and a sword of fire at the entrance of the garden to guard the way to the tree of life.
Ever since Adam and Eve sinned, all people have been sinners. Our sin separates us from God, but God still loves us. God promised a rescuer would come from Eve's family. God sent his son Jesus to rescue people from sin and bring them back to God.
Sanibona Sunday School, ngiyanibingelela and ngiyanamukela ukuthi nihlanganyele kanye nathi namuhla. Siyabonga and I pray ukuthi nizobusiseka nangesifundo sanamuhla. So namuhla sizoqhubeka endabeni kaGenesis njengoba besifundile last week, and last week sifunde about uNkulunkulu ukuthi wadala konke and washo wathi kuhle, nathi wasidala futhi umfanekiso wakhe. So namuhla-ke sizoqhubeka encwadini yayo uGenesis. So i-memory verse yethu isitholakala lapha Genesis 2:16-17. So ngizonifundela-ke, ifundeka kanje. Ithi lapha siyathi uthi uJehova uNkulunkulu wamyala umuntu wathi ungadla kuyo yonke imithi yensimu ngokuthanda kwakho, kepha ungadli kuwo umuthi wokwazi okuhle nokubi, ngokuba mhla udla kuwo uyakufa nokufa. So siyathola la ukuthi uNkulunkulu esemdalile umuntu, yabo. So uNkulunkulu amdala umuntu ambeka ensimini yase-Eden ngani. And then sithola ukuthi esekudalile konke nezihlahla nezithelo nje abantu yabatshena ukuthi bengadla, yabo. uAdam bengadla kukho konke, but then besethi esihlahleni sokwazi yabo okuhle nokubi bengadli kuzo, yabo. Kodwa-ke siyathola ukuthi sesiqhubeka ukuthi uEva wakhohliswa inyoka, yabo. Kathi mbuzo ukuthi uNkulunkulu ushilweni ukuthi ningadli la, yabo. And we find ukuthi uEva wakhohliseka, yabo, wasibona sisihleke isihlahla ukuthi engadla kuso and wanika no-Adam. And then sithola ukuthi-ke isono sangena-ke emhlabeni. uNkulunkulu wayidalile umuntu kathi bekhona behlala engadini yase-Eden sasingekho isono, but then ngokungalaleli kwa-Eva, yabo, elalele inyoko, engasakulaleli lokhu, engasakwenzi lokhu awatshelwe uNkulunkulu, sithola ukuthi kwabe sengena isono ngenxa yani ukuthi akalalelanga. So mina isifundo like engisitholayo mangifunda le ncwadi le or le ndaba le ya Eva no-Adam, ngesikhathi uNkulunkulu esebayalile ukuthi okay bengadla kuzo zonke izithelo nakuzo zonke izihlahla, kodwa kulesi isihlahla sokwazi okuhle nokubi bengadli kusona, yabo. So ngibona khona ukuthi okay, one uNkulunkulu uveza i-obedience, ukulalela, yabo, ukubaluleka kokulalela, aphinde futhi aveze iy'thelo zokungalaleli, ukuthi uma ungalaleli, yabo, kuba khona ama-consequences or umphumela owutholayo and awukho muhle because awulalelanga, awu. So mina-ke bengingathanda nje ukuthi ngisigqugquzele ukuthi njengabantwana sisekhaya silalele uNkulunkulu, lokho akakukhulumayo kithi ngalesi sikhathi ngathi singakulalela. And futhi nabazali bethu izinto abasikhuzayo kuzona ukuthi singazenzi ukuthi silalele, yabo. And also okunye ngifuna ukuveza ukuthi even sebonile-ke uEva no-Adam uNkulunkulu wabakhipha engadini yase-Eden, yabo. wabatshena ukuthi sebezokusebenza manje ukuze bethole yabo ukudla, because siyathola ukuthi la ngesingisi lithi wabanikeza freely, like ayikho into kwakumele ukuthi beyenze yabo ukuthi besebenze or bekhokhe, but yonke into yayikhona nje kubona nje ukuthi bengayidla nje ngokuthanda kwabo, kodwa bese kuba khona lesi kuthiwa ukuthi bengasidli kusona. But then ngokungalaleli kwabo siyabona ukuthi umphumela wabo ukuthini, sekumele manje ukuthi beyisebenzele yabo, because sekumele ukuthi beyisebenzele ukuze bethole ukudla yabo, and baphuma lapha bebehlale kahle khona, uNkulunkulu ababeka ngaphandle kwasengadini. And futhi siyabona ukuthi into eyenzeka kwangena isono yabo. So ngokungena kwesono ke, because wazi ukuthi uNkulunkulu uma bedlala bazonjani, bazofa yabo. If bezodlala isihlahla sokudla nokubi bazokufa nokufa yabo. And siyathola ukuthi okay, kwangena kokufa ngokungalaleli kwabo. Siyathola ukuthi njengamanje uNkulunkulu abantu ayengabadalela ukuthi befe, babadalela ukuthi behlale bephile ingunaphakade. And we find ukuthi la ngenxa yabo yokungalaleli sekukhona isono yabo. So abalalelanga, and then ngangena isono, and then kwangena nokufa. So isono siwukufa. iBhayibheli lasitshela ukuthi umphumela wesono ukufa. So siyathola ukuthi nala ngokungalaleli kwabo baphinda bona yabo umphumela kwabo ukufa. But then iBhayibheli uphinde futhi uNkulunkulu asithembise asinikeze esinye isithembiso esihle, because uNkulunkulu unguNkulunkulu onomusa yabo. So ngokuba nomusa kwakhe uthi nje sebakhiphile engadini, and then kunokufa sengenile, kodwa uthi uzoletha indodana yakhe uJesu yabo, ukuthi ngaye singabe sisanjani, singabe sisafa, sithethelele futhi esonweni zethu, because kuJesu asitholi nje kuphela yabo ukuthethelelwa ukukhululwa from isono, but sithola nanokuphila kwaphakade yabo. So lokhu kwaqhamuka ngokungalaleli nesono futhi Eva no-Adam. uJesu yena yafika-ke ukuthi azonjani, azokususa ngokuthi asithethelele ezonweni zethu, masikholwa nguye asithethelele ezonweni zethu, phinde futhi asiphe ukuphila kwaphakade. So ilokho nje engithanda ukuthi ngidlulise namuhla, and ngiyathemba ukuthi nifundile, and uNkulunkulu uzonisiza nani emakhaya ukuthi niphile impilo ejabulisa uNkulunkulu, simlalele uNkulunkulu, siphinde futhi silalele nabazali bethu.
It's quiz time. Remember to shout out the answers if you know what they are.
So isikhathi sembuzo, ngiyathemba ukuthi nizokwazi ukuphendula because bengilalele njengengane ezinhle. So umbuzo wethu wokuqala uthi yini eyenzeka yabo, kwaba yini umphumela wokungalaleli kwa-Adam no-Eve ngesikhathi uNkulunkulu ebayalile yabo. And 2, isiphi lesihlahla athi uNkulunkulu bengadli kuso yabo. And also okugcina ke umbuzo wesithathu ke lo. So umbuzo wesithathu uthi uNkulunkulu wathemba yini akabathembisa yona, noma like ekutheni lembola imphumela le abanika yona ngenxa yokungalaleli, wathi sebanikezele yona, kodwa futhi isiphi isithembiso akabanikeza sona after or into So umbuzo wokuqala siyaphinda futhi. Umbuzo wokuqala sibuza ukuthi kwaba yini umphumela wokungalaleli ka-Adam no-Eva ne? Ucela impendulo ezoyi-2 lapho. And 2, isiphi isihlahla athi uNkulunkulu u-Adam no-Eve bengadli kuso, right? Then okugcina yini uNkulunkulu akayenza like etshengisa ukuthi uNkulunkulu onomusa yabo. Yini akayenza ukuze esibuyisele kuye zibe nokuphila kwaphakade. Okay, ngiyathemba ke ngikwazi ukuphendula. So impendulo yethu yokuqala, 1, umphumela kwaba yini kwaba ukufa. Wesibili kwaba ukuthi uNkulunkulu wabakhiphe engadini yase-Eden. And then umbuzo wesibili, isiphi lesihlahla athi uNkulunkulu bengadli kuso Adam no-Eve? Siyathola ukuthi isihlahla sokwazi okuhle nokubi. It's the tree of knowledge of good and evil. And then umbuzo wokugcina, yini uNkulunkulu akayenza-ke yabo etshengisa like esibona ngawo ukuthi uNkulunkulu nomusa ngathi nomusa kithi but siyathola ukuthi uNkulunkulu waletha uJesu ukuze sizobuyiselwa kuyena sibe nokuphila kwaphakade. Ngiyabonga kakhulu, ngiyathanda ukuthi nithokozele isifundo namuhla, nibe neviki elibusisekile and uNkulunkulu abe nani, anigcine, anivikele kanye nomndeni.
Remember that if you don't have the exact same things as in the video, you can get creative by coloring in blank paper the color that you need, using scissors to cut the shapes that you need, and finding other things that might help you.
Wow! I'm so grateful that God had a plan to rescue us from our sin. Hope you enjoyed today's service. See you at our Zoom Connects.